Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of technology to bring you the top 8 coolest gadgets every student needs. From Amazon. Whether you're hitting the books in the library or navigating the bustling campus life, these gadgets are sure to revolutionize your student experience. From smart pens to portable chargers, we've scoured the market to find the perfect tools to help you excel in your academic journey. 8. Swarmer Multifunction LED Table Lamp. The Swarmer Multifunction LED Table Lamp illuminates your space with both elegance and versatility. This innovative lamp transcends the boundaries of traditional lighting, offering a plethora of features to enhance your environment. Equipped with energy-efficient LED bulbs, it provides bright and adjustable illumination to suit any task or mood. Its multifunctionality extends beyond lighting, boasting additional features such as built-in wireless charging capabilities for your devices, Bluetooth connectivity for streaming music, and even a USB port for convenient device charging. With its sleek and modern design, the Swarmer lamp complements any decor, whether it's adorning your bedside table, desk, or living room. Control of its various functions is intuitive, thanks to user-friendly touch controls or remote operation. Whether you're working late into the night, relaxing with your favorite tunes, or simply charging your phone, the Swarmer Multifunction LED Table Lamp is the perfect companion, seamlessly blending functionality with style to enhance your living space. The Swarmer Multifunction LED Table Lamp is a beacon of modernity in both design and utility. Its slender silhouette and contemporary aesthetic add a touch of sophistication to any room, while its multifunctional capabilities elevate it beyond a mere lighting fixture. With adjustable brightness levels and color temperatures, it caters to your specific lighting needs, whether you're reading, working, or unwinding after a long day. 7. USB-C Bracelet. The USB-C bracelet seamlessly integrates fashion and functionality into one stylish accessory. Designed for the modern individual on the move, it combines the practicality of a USB-C connector with the versatility of a sleek bracelet. Crafted from high-quality materials, it exudes sophistication while serving as a convenient tech solution. Whether you're a student rushing to class or a professional navigating a busy workday, this bracelet ensures you're always equipped to transfer data or charge your devices at a moment's notice. Its USB-C connector effortlessly plugs into laptops, smartphones, or other compatible devices, offering fast and reliable connectivity wherever you are. When not in use, the bracelet elegantly wraps around your wrist, adding a touch of flair to any outfit. With the USB-C bracelet, staying connected has never looked so chic. 6. Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. The foldable Bluetooth keyboard epitomizes the marriage of convenience and functionality in modern technology. Compact yet versatile, it revolutionizes the way we interact with our devices on the go. With its sleek design and ergonomic layout, typing becomes a seamless experience, whether you're drafting emails on your smartphone during a commute or jotting down notes on your tablet in a bustling cafe. The convenience of Bluetooth connectivity eliminates the need for tangled wires, offering effortless pairing with a range of devices from smartphones to laptops. Its foldable nature makes it incredibly portable, fitting snugly into bags or pockets, ready to unfold and transform any surface into a workspace whenever inspiration strikes. Built with durability in mind, these keyboards withstand the rigors of travel and daily use, ensuring reliability wherever you go. Whether you're a digital nomad navigating the world or a busy professional maximizing productivity on the move, the foldable Bluetooth keyboard is the ultimate companion for those who demand versatility without sacrificing quality. Say goodbye to the constraints of traditional keyboards and hello to a new era of portable productivity. 5. 2-in-1 Knife Paper Cutter. The 2-in-1 Knife Paper Cutter revolutionizes efficiency in daily tasks, combining the precision of a knife with the convenience of a paper cutter. This innovative tool streamlines various cutting needs with remarkable ease. Its dual functionality empowers users to seamlessly transition between slicing through tough materials like cardboard or plastic and delicately trimming paper with unparalleled accuracy. Crafted with durable materials and ergonomic design, it ensures both durability and user comfort. Whether in the bustling office environment or the creative workshop, this versatile tool becomes an indispensable companion, effortlessly adapting to diverse cutting requirements. Its compact size and multifunctionality make it a space-saving solution ideal for compact workstations or on-the-go professionals. Embracing the 2-in-1 Knife Paper Cutter enhances productivity, elevates precision, and simplifies the cutting experience, embodying the epitome of innovation in everyday tools. The 2-in-1 Knife Paper Cutter is a game-changer, offering unparalleled versatility and efficiency in cutting tasks. 4. Desk Whiteboard. A desk whiteboard is the ultimate tool for unleashing your creativity, organizing your thoughts, and staying productive in any workspace. Compact yet powerful, this versatile accessory transforms your desk into a dynamic brainstorming hub, providing a dedicated surface for jotting down ideas, making to-do lists, or sketching out concepts on the fly. Whether you're a student mapping out study notes, a professional outlining project milestones, or a creative spirit bringing ideas to life, the desk whiteboard offers endless possibilities for expression and organization. With its smooth surface and erasable markers, you can effortlessly capture thoughts, revise plans, and keep track of important tasks without the need for paper or sticky notes. Plus, its compact size makes it perfect for smaller workspaces or for keeping essential information within arm's reach. From impromptu brainstorming sessions to daily task management, the desk whiteboard empowers you to think, plan, and create with clarity and efficiency, making it an indispensable tool for anyone striving to excel in their endeavors. 3. Armrest for desk. An armrest for your desk isn't just a luxury. It's an ergonomic necessity that transforms your workspace into a haven of comfort and support. Designed to alleviate strain and fatigue during long hours of work, a desk armrest provides a cushioned surface for your arms to rest upon while typing, writing, or using a mouse. This seemingly small addition to your desk setup can make a world of difference in your daily comfort and productivity, reducing tension in your neck, shoulders, and wrists. Additionally, a well-designed armrest promotes proper posture, preventing slouching and minimizing the risk of repetitive strain injuries. From adjustable heights to customizable padding, armrests come in various styles to suit your individual preferences and workspace requirements. Investing in a quality desk armrest isn't just about enhancing your comfort. It's about prioritizing your health and well-being as you tackle your daily tasks with ease and efficiency. 2. Wireless charging desk spread. The wireless charging desk represents a revolution in workspace functionality, seamlessly blending convenience with modern technology. This innovative desk integrates wireless charging capabilities directly into its surface, eliminating the need for cumbersome cords and adapters. Users can simply place their CAD-enabled devices, such as smartphones or tablets, onto the designated charging area, and power is transferred wirelessly, effortlessly replenishing battery life throughout the workday. This not only declutters the desk space, but also streamlines the charging process, promoting a more organized and efficient workflow. Moreover, the wireless charging desk is designed with versatility in mind, offering multiple charging pads to accommodate multiple devices simultaneously, catering to the demands of the modern multitasker. Beyond its practical functionality, this desk exudes contemporary elegance with sleek lines and premium materials, enhancing any office or home environment. With a wireless charging desk, staying powered up and productive has never been easier or more stylish. 1. Fingerprint lock. Fingerprint locks, also known as biometric locks, represent a cutting-edge advancement in security technology. By utilizing the unique ridges, whorls, and patterns of an individual's fingerprints, these locks provide a highly secure and convenient means of access control. Unlike traditional locks that rely on keys or codes, fingerprint locks offer a more personalized and tamper-resistant solution. The process begins with enrollment, where an individual's fingerprint is scanned and stored securely within the lock's database. When access is required, the user simply places their finger on the sensor, and within milliseconds, the lock identifies and verifies the fingerprint against the stored data. This seamless authentication process eliminates the need for keys or remembering codes. And there you have it. Those were the top 8 coolest gadgets every student needs to have in their arsenal. From Amazon, which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, happy studying and stay tech savvy.